on! Oh, listen to that. Oh my god, that sounds unreal. It'd be cool to jump this. Right, there's a bump there. Oh, I tell you what, that sounds good. Woo! Fucking hell, there's a big hole there. Do what I did then, I wheelied up over it.
Over the thing,
yeah, so jumping it.
You keep the back wheel on the floor. You keep the back on.
Yeah, he told me that and I did it. This is the one thing I hate about a carb. Remembering to switch your petrol on and off. With Electron, you've got Electron, haven't you? Do you have to turn the, you know, if you put it over, is there an overflow pipe? No. So you could just tip it on its side and it won't piss out?
Nah, I've tipped it before and it doesn't come out.
Try it. We've definitely made a track here before somewhere. Whoa! Oh god, that's fun. I might put my goggles on though. It's definitely goggle territory. Whoa! That was almost too fast, but that was fun. I'm gonna follow Ivan into the tree. Come on! Follow you. Go. Go. So this is Ivan's first ride on the 150. Look at him slapping that back end about. Yeah, that 150's got way more bottom end, he reckons. Can't wait to have a rip on it. Fucking hell, it ain't slow. 2cc. That was amazing. So grippy in here. Like loamy, grippy. How in Spanish. Oh my god! Is this paradise? Look at it. I hope my camera is clean because, oh no, there's definitely going to be a bog somewhere. It looks wet. Nearly. These bloody babies heads. $150, baby. Woo! Yeah. Oh, I scared myself then. Sometimes I just like to hit full throttle. Bouncing off the trees is not good. I'd like to have a bit of a debate with you guys. What is the best sounding bike? Is it one of them? Carburetor. Like before we get going, one of my most hated sound, T PI when it's not on the pipe. It just sounds ridiculous. Not even my bike likes the sound of it. It's horrible. It's a 2-stroke that sounds shit. How did that happen? But I also think my favourite sound in the world is a 4-stroke on the limiter. I don't think a 2-stroke on the limiter even sounds as good as that. Imagine a big fat whip on the limiter bringing it back. Woo! These things sound good on the pipe, don't get me wrong. Just my personal preference. I'm going to try pivot turn it. Wait a minute, let's get off it. Yeah! I think that was quite textbook. Now to make everyone else do it. Yeah, buddy! Hey man, that's over. You see. Fucking textbook. Uh-oh. Nice one. Oh god, where did they go? Oh, second gear on the clutch. So dry in here. Wheelie. These green bits, they're either really soft and your front wheel dives into it, or really hard because it's a fucking rock and it smashes back at you. I actually talked myself into the 2 today, being like, well, I've only just had that operation, so you're gonna have to take it easy. We'll do a nice easy ride. It's never a fucking easy ride. I took my own stitches out last night, but it is like 9 days after, so I didn't just take them out because I'm an idiot. They needed to come out, and I don't really fancy going to hospital again. Seen as my heart stopped last time. First gear is so much more impressive on this bike than it was on the 4-stroke. It's just slower. I think that's probably to do with, like, the 4-stroke definitely has more low down torque, so this one has to be geared down a bit, but the result is exactly the same and quite phenomenal. And this, we're in first gear, like just crawling up a hill. It's actually quite a rough hill too. I mean, that's just, you wouldn't do that on a motocross bike. Well, there's the tree line, yeah?
Yeah, but really done that last time we just found a little way all the way up to the top.
Yeah, okay. Come on. So I'm leaning real far back, steady throttle. On my pegs if I can. Look at that go. This is so fucking steep. Oh my god, it's still going. No, don't spin, don't spin. Oh god. I'm facing the wrong way. It's going so well. I can't believe that just did that. 300s are so torquey. I fucked myself up here now. It started to spin and then it gripped. I left myself the best starting position. But I have faith in my bike. I have faith. First gear faith. All I've got is just my weight over that rear tyre. Gentle with the throttle. Chug, chug, chug. These bikes will go anywhere. I love how colourful bikes are. Look at him doing an end. You're like, oh Jesus, that stopped me dead. Yeah, buddy. Ow! You absolute pig. There's trees everywhere. Yeah, it reminds me of skiing. Like just off-piste skiing on a bike. God, where am I going now? Whoa! Whoa, this is amazing! Oh, we ran out! There's so much fun! They've made jumps for us! This is too much fun. Okay, that'll do. What the hell is going on? What a nutcase! Where did that come from? Oh, I can clean that, I know I can. Plenty of clutch. Shit! That's pretty tough. That's tough. Go on, Alan! That's pretty hard. Not as easy as it looks, is it? We do get a lot of people thinking these things are really easy. It ain't easy. There's bikes just everywhere. But you can see it's like really low me. Jesus, Alwyn. Oh, he's in a bad place. Fucking hell, he's doing so well. I can't believe how fast you're going backwards. That's ridiculous. That's ridiculous. I've never seen anybody go so fast backwards. Did he mean to do that?
That's all right. Good then. Hey, is that one of those electric bikes?
That's perfect. So stylish.
Just smooth.
Yeah. Well, I think that's going to be it for today. I am pooped. No broken bones. Bike's working. I'm working. And I'll see you guys after Christmas.